Okay, so this is how you use QuestLink to have a multi-monitor setup. So right now I got a data cable here. This is an extremely high-speed cable. I got my laptop here, and I got my Quest controllers here. So first off, let's open some apps here. Let's open up VS Code. Let's open up Edge. Let's open up File Explorer, and let's open up Task Manager. Okay. So we'll just start with that for now. You guys should get the message after this. So first thing you're going to want to do is plug in your uh, Quest into your computer here. Then it's going to ask you to enable link, so you just enable that. Alright, now we're getting into Quest Link here. Okay. So we're here now. So we're going to click desktop, and then we're going to hold down this middle trigger button. I'm going to pull out an app, just like that. So I'll show you guys again. Okay, so let's move this bar out of here. So let's just get that out here. So what you do is, can you guys see the controller? So you're gonna hold down on an app with this trigger, and then you're gonna pull this trigger, this inner trigger, and then it just makes it into like a window, and you can just put that wherever. So it's VS Code, and then I'll take this, pull it out, put it up there, and then, oh, yeah, I do not want it that close. Ugh. Let me get this out of here. So for me to move the windows, I'm using this middle trigger here. So once you guys do that, just get Edge, and you can just get as many windows as you want here. So then you just kind of use this like a 3D mouse. So like this is left click, and then if you press and hold it, that's right click. And you can see, so this is our main window here. I can probably move that out of here and just move this apps thing out of here as well, and move this out of here. And so let's say I have this here. I can just use this like a 3D mouse here. I just go here. I'm not sure why this isn't closing here. I can of course also use my traditional mouse. You just kind of have to. Okay. So if you minimize anything, it just gets out of there, and it also stops being an app window. So yeah, so that's how you use this. So again, let's just go over the controls here. So middle mouse, side button, this side button here, this is to move around the window. And then this trigger in the back, this is a click. So I'm using the side button, and then this is smaller, bigger, side to side is smaller, bigger, and then up and down is outer, out, in. So what you can do is you can just put it really far out, but make it really big, so your eyes can be, like better. And then these you can kind of just put wherever. So yeah, so basically you can have infinite monitors this way, because every app is its own monitor. So let's say I open another app. Let's say I open up this My Asus again. what I do is I select the app with my back trigger here. Oh yeah, and the system audio comes through the headset. So I select this with the back trigger, and then I press the side trigger, and it'll pull it out like a window, just like this. And I can just easily just do that. And if I minimize it, it goes away. So you guys can see if I minimize these apps, they go away. So again, select the app with the back trigger, press the side trigger, and I can pop it out. And yeah, you can make them really close to you if you want, or you can make them really far away, and you can make them really big, just like this. And then, you know, so this is essentially the desktop itself, and then all of these monitors are their own app. So yeah, and then this is a wired connection, so there's no latency. You know, you can see this is pretty great. Alright, thanks for watching. Goodbye. And then, oh yeah, and then to exit quest link, you just click exit quest link. You just click quit. So yeah, that's it for this video. Goodbye.